Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. Of course I'm Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. We're going to dive right in because today
we will visit Chef Mike's kitchen.
So if you're interested in this, stick around, and as always, we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Welcome back to Chef Mike's kitchen. We are so happy that you've joined us, and we're going to get started and see what's cooking in Chef Mike's kitchen. Enjoy.
Welcome, sports fans. I am Chef Mike, and welcome to Chef Mike's kitchen. Today, I am going to prepare a simple, easy, quick, old-fashioned macaroni and cheese. Now, usually what I would do is I would give you the measurements to each item that I make. Today, I'm going to let you use your own discretion. So here we go. I already have some pre-cooked macaroni. Now, you can use any type of macaroni that you want. This is a pasta dish, so you can use elbows, you can use penne, you can use rigatoni, you can use bow ties, any pasta that you like. Okay, we're putting these elbow macaroni in here. Next, my cheeses consist of sharp cheddar, I like my macaroni and cheese to be really cheesy. That's what it's all about. We have extra sharp cheddar. Now, we will use some butter. Okay, next we will add another layer of macaroni. All right, sharp cheddar, and extra sharp cheddar. More butter. Okay, sports fans, and I also add my house blend spices. So that would be granulated garlic, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Then you're going to top it with Carnation canned milk. Okay, sports fans, so I have preheated my oven to 340 degrees. All right, now that I have added my Carnation milk, I'm going to beat 2 eggs here. These eggs will give it a nice glaze and crisp it up just a little bit for me. All right, we're going to pour this on top. All right, now that that's done, my last thing I'm going to add to my macaroni and cheese is panko breadcrumbs. Panko breadcrumbs is going to give it a crunch that I'm looking for. All right, now I'm going to throw this in the oven and I will check it in 45 minutes. I will see you shortly. All right, sports fans, I am back. 45 minutes later at 340 degrees, and this is my finished product. So let's get a little taste of this. There it is. I have garnished it with tomato slices and kale. It was fun. See you next time. Happy eating.
Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.